Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video this week just in time for Easter. I was making these for my son and I figured why not share it with you guys. This recipe is inspired by the pioneer woman. I saw her actually make these this week and I said I have to give that a try for the little Easter get together that we are having with our family. This is something so tasty, so simple, and so inexpensive, and it's a great opportunity to get your kids involved in this fun activity. As always, I will leave a list of all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below, but for this recipe, you will only need 6 cups of Rice Krispies Cereal, 4 cups of mini marshmallows, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and then some candy and sprinkles of your choice. Those are optional, just for decoration, not necessary, but I thought they were a cute touch. So you're going to want to take a large pot and set it over a medium heat, not too hot, literally just keep it at medium. Drop in your 3 tablespoons of butter. And can we please talk about how super cute these spring spatulas that I found at Ross are? So cute. So you're just going to let your butter melt completely. And once it does, you're going to add in your mini marshmallows. Continue to keep the heat on medium. You can even do a medium low. You don't want this to burn. You don't want this to get super hot. You just want to keep it on a lower heat so that your marshmallows can melt completely with the butter. So you're just going to want to mix until your marshmallows just become creamy and melted, kind of like this. And then you're just going to turn off your heat and fold in your 6 cups of Rice Krispies. Be patient with this, fold it in, but I promise it's going to be super sticky, but it's all going to come together. Now comes the fun part. Once your Rice Krispies come together with the marshmallows, you're going to just take some regular canola oil or nonstick spray. You're going to spray some on your hands, rub them together, make sure that your hands are completely covered, and this is going to prevent the Rice Krispies from fully sticking to your hands. Next, you're going to take just a standard Easter egg, one of the plastic ones, and you're going to detach it. You're going to detach both halves. You don't want them to be attached with that little plastic. So take them apart and you're just going to push in Rice Krispies into one side of your egg. And this is optional, but I added a little chocolate egg in the center, which is how the pioneer woman did it as well. And then you're going to want to slightly overfill the other side of your egg. And then you're going to just bring both halves together and squeeze them together until you hear a crunch. If you have some overflow around the edges, go ahead and kind of form them with your hands and push them in. And since you're using a plastic egg, it will not stick. Your Rice Krispies will just pop right out and they will be in egg shape. Super cute. So you can literally leave them like this, maybe drizzle them with a little bit of some melted chocolate. You can dip them in melted chocolate. You can have fun with this. You can add chocolate chips. You can add sprinkles. Have fun with this. Get your kids involved. This is a really fun activity, especially now the kids are on spring break. Easter's coming. This is something so quick that you can do with them, and I promise you they're going to love it. I also made a few without any chocolate candies in the center, and they stuck together just the same. So I just picked up some pastel star sprinkles and some sugar crystals, and all I did was take my eggs and just roll them in the sprinkles. Now for me, the sprinkles didn't really stick because I did wait a little bit for them to cool, which probably wasn't the best option. The warmer your Rice Krispies are, the more your sprinkles will stick to them. Keep that in mind. But you do want to make sure that they are slightly cooled and not super warm, because then they won't hold their shape and they won't look like Easter eggs. If you start playing around with your Rice Krispies and they lose the egg shape, don't worry. Literally just put it inside of the plastic Easter egg again and they will reform and take shape again. And this is how my Rice Krispie Easter eggs turned out. I love them. They were super fun. They were super tasty, and they're going to be a great surprise to take to our Easter gathering. If you are new to my channel, I invite you to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming recipes. To my new subscribers and my old subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. It means a ton, guys. I wish you all a very happy Easter. Many blessings to you, your family, and your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!